In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a resume in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Adobe Acrobat program, and then you want to go and just drag and drop in your resume. So I'm going to drag it over here. There we go. And it's going to open up my resume, okay? If I scroll out, as you can see here, zoomed out, this is like a resume over here. It's just an example, but you get the point. And then over here, if you actually want to edit your resume inside your Adobe Acrobat, you want to go to the right and you want to click on Edit PDF. Now, when you do that, all of these boxes are going to become editable, and you can then go ahead and add whatever you want in here, okay? So, for example, over here, you can change your name, you can change like different years over here. If I go and, for example, try to change this, I could just change it. Like, for example, if I go from 2020 to 2025, for example, to present, there we go. As you can see, that's working, etc. Okay? Now, if things are weird and displaced, like in my case over here, as you can see, things aren't necessarily like the most convenient to edit, what you can do here is the following. You can go to Scan and OCR, you can do Recognize Text, and then click on In this file. Now here, select your language and the pages, and click on Recognize Text. Now it's going to start calibrating and converting everything, and now if you go back to the Edit tab over here on the right, you'll see that things should be a bit better, okay? You now should be able to edit much more conveniently, you'll be able to change things and stuff like that, okay? So that's essentially how to edit a resume in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.